In 3 words, I would say VOCO is cutting edge, it's innovative, and it is high quality.
Pioneer, innovative, limitless.
Quality, innovation. It's all researched. Those are the 3 things for me that VOCO means.
The symposium met my expectations, far exceeded my expectations. The first time that I've been a fellow with VOCO is my very first time being in Germany, and also my very first time being with colleagues from all around the world, 20 countries and 5 continents.
I'm so enthused by what I learn, what the profession, all the new innovations that are coming. It's fantastic.
My take-home message of this symposium is that VOCO has taken dentistry to the next level. I'm very grateful to be part of this multicultural and international family of VOCO.
Friendship. And it's that friendship that goes right through the whole meeting. I enjoy the presentations, I enjoy the discussions, but it's not fellowship, it's much more. I have made friends. My only downside, I have to wait another 2 years before the next one.
In 3 words, I would say educational. I would say in 3 words, collaborative. And then the last word I would say would be exciting.
The diverse range of subjects, the friendship, I think I would say that, hospitality of my host, VOCO, for making it so special and unique.
My favorite product is the Pro Fluoride 5% sodium fluoride varnish. I love the fact that it has 7 great flavors. It takes about a minute to apply. So it's a very short investment of my time with a high effect for my patients for 6 months.
Admiral Fusion 5, without a doubt. Chameleon effect, few products I have to buy, time of only 10 seconds to cure. Those 3 things are very important for me.
My 3 highlights of the symposium are the factory visit, the great networking opportunities, and the different topic discussions.
We have professors from universities, we have general practitioners, we have specialists, we have young and not so young. And it's that huge diversity that is incredible. We are the United Nations of dentistry.
My favorite 3 highlights of the symposium are the educational opportunities, the collaboration with colleagues, and I think just the festivity of the entire event.